Hey guys, so I want to talk about the security freeze letter. So whenever you're disputing, before you're disputing, there's something called pre-disputing. And in that pre-dispute round, that's where you want to freeze the data furnishers. And those data furnishers are secondary bureaus, right? So these are credit reporting agencies as well, but they're lower tier credit reporting agencies. And the way that they work is they collect certain information about consumers, and what they do is they sell that information to the big credit reporting agencies that you know of, which is Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. And there's something called security freezing. So you can place a security freeze on that information that the data furnishers are reporting about you, that information that they're selling, that information that they're compiling. You have a right to your personal information. And so what Congress enacted was a law that allows you to place or prevent companies like Innovis, or let me actually go back to data furniture like Innovis, First Advantage, LexisNexis, Clarity, NCTUE, Check Systems, to report. Like, you can place a security freeze on that data because that's your personal information and you own the rights to that information. And so that's why in that pre-dispute process, you want to place a security freeze so that you are able to, it increases your chances of getting those derogatory items removed. So if you really look at it, what they're doing is, if you understand the process, they're collecting that information about you, and then they're going to verify that information to the credit reporting agencies like Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. And because that's what's happening, you can cut off that connection by placing a security freeze. And I'll show you guys exactly how to do that. Just select a few. Once I select those few, notice I have 4 up there. And this letter right here is the security freeze letter. Go ahead and click that. And it's basically, according to section 605A, of the Fair Credit Reporting Act, they have to place that security freeze on your information, blocking them from being able to share that with anyone or sell that information to anyone. And that is how you generate your security freeze letters in the system.